Hi everyone.
Hello.
Say hello.
Hello.
Now we have just left the hotel Wood Villa. Now we are on the way towards Rampur. It might take around 4 hours for us to reach there. But on the way, the drive is beautiful with lovely scenery, Himalayas, greeneries all around. And yes, we had a lovely night in Wood Villa. Looking forward to see Snow Leopard in coming few days. Hi, good evening everyone. Finally we reached somewhere. We are at Tabo right now. Okay, I'm gonna sit. We're at Tabo right now. It was a long drive. We started at 7 o'clock in the morning. Halfway through we stopped at Raccoon for our lunch and for the permits. Finally we reached. Tomorrow morning we'll go and see some monastery which is apparently built in 938, and tomorrow after that we will go for Kibber where the Snow Leopards are.
We just saw a beautiful monastery.
Yes.
It's more than 1,000 years old.
Yes.
And it has wonderful paintings in the side, inside, just like Ajanta and Ellora near Mumbai.
Right.
And soon we will be leaving for a drive to Kibber, and we are hoping to see some snow tigers on the way. Otherwise, snow leopard.
Yeah.
We're hoping to see some snowmen on the way.
This is me, Dipul, driving at Kibber, filled with snow.
We are going to
Chicham, right? Chicham
Yeah.
Bridge right now. It's been a wonderful journey so far, and we are hoping to see some snow leopard. Just came back from scanning. We just went to scan the area, but there was no luck. And tomorrow again we are going back. So let's see. Let's hope for the best. Hi, good morning. Now we have reached at certain elevation. We are almost at around 15,000 feet above the sea level, and from here we can actually see 360-degree view, so that we can scan the area to look for a snow leopard. Right now there are 4 of us. We are scanning all around, and this side seems like a little bit open, so we are looking at this side. Let's have a look. Just now Namka have already spotted a snow leopard. So Namka is looking for it. So he's gonna adjust in scope. Then we'll confirm it, and then we'll get a little closer. Hi. So we are taking a break now. We are in the middle of nowhere. It's a breakfast time. So Namka have been really good. We have carried some tea also, and there is, you can see, egg roll. So we'll have some, we'll fuel up a bit fuel is very essential here, otherwise we won't be able to survive. So let's have some food and then again we'll head ahead. It's been a wonderful walk so far. Hello team, now we are heading back to Delhi. We had a wonderful time. Now we just left Kaja, so I have so many stories to tell you. Please wait, I'll share you some beautiful footage, beautiful videos in coming days. Thank you, see you soon.